What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. We are currently sitting in the 98. I have my girlfriend with me. We are getting ready to head over to Chad's to finally get some of the 79 put together. I have been so busy working part-time at my in-town job, and then between the hay farm and auto body down here, I have had zero time to get over there and work on it. It has been raining for the past probably week and a half on and off. I think my dad said we got a total of 10 inches of rainfall, so that has been, I mean, you really can't film outside unless you're inside, and there's nothing really to do because I can't get over to Chad's because I'm stuck down there in the shop. But we'll get a video on that truck soon so you guys can see exactly what I've been doing to it. But before we get over to Chad's, we got to go down to Dad's, load up some parts, and then we'll head that way, so stay tuned, guys. What is up, guys? We are back. We are at Chad's. We got the 79 pulled in. Got it all jacked up already. He's setting up his torches and stuff. Trying to get all this stuff burnt off to get it all replaced, and then that should be it for the rear end, other than extended brake lines and putting the shocks and everything back on. I need to get rid of this bumper as well. It is ugly. I don't even know why they have it on there with the flatbed. But we are going to get all this stuff torched off. I'll probably have to run to Bedford to get new U-bolts made, because these ones are for the lift block, and we are going to see if the new springs, if it sits level or if it's low, or what we need to do. So we'll end up probably having to go get factory style U-bolts made for it to put back on here. But other than that, that should be about it. I will probably have to run to town to get new bolts for that hanger that will be going not on this side but the other side, but the front of the leaf spring there. So gonna kind of give you guys, I don't know, kind of like vlog as we go through the day, so you guys can see exactly what we're doing. But that's basically it, so stay tuned, guys.
Little.
Okay guys, so I got that front bracket torched off like I told you. Now I just gotta take this bolt out of the hanger, so I can take this whole leaf spring pack out, and then we can grab one of the new ones, set it up in here. Like I said, I'll have to run to town and get new bolts for that new hanger that's over there on the ground to test fit everything in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken out, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Okay guys, we're back. Got the leaf spring all out. I got the little rivets punched out on the frame and then the bracket here. And then this new bracket goes in like so, and then I'll have to get bolts for it up in there. But I'm gonna try and get the other side off now. I have one bolt I'll have to burn out on this side, which would be this one right here. And then this whole thing will come undone. I'll have to take that back bolt and stuff out. I might do that first, and then the back will drop, and then I can just burn that one out and pull it out. So, little update for you guys. We're making headway. Yeah, we're gonna continue on. I'm gonna get that one taken out, and then same with this one, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, we are back. Like I said, I got this side all done. That other side was a little bit more of a beep word to get off, I'll just put it that way. I had to burn that bolt out and try and, well, it's actually up there on that far end. Burn it out, but now I'm gonna run to town. I gotta get some smaller or shorter bolts and stuff. Put the hanger up there. I just took 80 grit, hit the frame real quick, and blew some Rust-Oleum on there just to kind of help the rust. But eventually I'm gonna sandblast the whole frame once I take the bed stuff off and coat the whole thing. So I'm gonna run to town real quick, grab some more bolts, probably grab something to eat while I'm in there, and then we'll come back, get this bolted up, try and get this hanger and stuff on, put the old U-bolts and stuff on to see where our ride height is, and then we'll probably head to Bedford to, I don't remember the name of the place, but I'll leave it down in the description when I remember. We're gonna run over there, get some U-bolts made, and then hopefully we'll get this all buttoned up and we should be good to go, so stay tuned. We made it back from town, got this hanger all put in, got the bolts for it, kind of had to drill the holes a little bit bigger in the bracket to make the 7/16 bolt to slide through, but it's all on there. We're gonna try and put the leaf springs on now, and put the new bolts and everything in and go from there. So stay tuned guys, we'll see what we get. Both new leaf springs in, got the new shackles in, all the hardware's in. I'm gonna bring you down here and show you. Gonna have to pick up another bolt for the other side because the one is just a little short. But you can tell we got it all in there. We're gonna lift everything back up, make sure ride quality and everything's good. And then like I said, we're probably gonna have to run to Bedford to get new U-bolts made if you follow me around this way. Because this U-bolt doesn't have enough threads down, and it is made for the 4-inch block. But or on this truck, what I did is I got the 4-inch lift drop shackle or lift shackle from, I think it's AFW Fabrication. I think it's all in the description, but you can go and find this 150 to 175 bucks on eBay. Super nice, super sturdy. I got that on there, and then we had the lift block, as you can see, one's right here, and then the other one's still over there. But I think with the lift block and then the lift shackle, we're gonna be sitting way too high, and it's gonna basically look like it's sitting now, but I mean, not as dramatic. But hopefully with the new springs and then the lift shackle, we can lower everything back down, see exactly where we're gonna be sitting, and go get new U-bolts made and get everything button back up, and it'll ride just where I want it. So stay tuned guys. We're gonna see where we're sitting, and then I'll bring you guys back. So we got it all set back down on the ground guys. We're gonna run to Bedford now, try and get those new U-bolts made. We're gonna see if he can maybe cut those ones down and just throw them down a little bit more, but if not, then we're just gonna get new ones made. Here's basically where it's gonna sit. I don't remember the exact height. Rough estimate, it's like 42 inches from the ground to the fender in the front, and back here it's like 41.5, somewhere in there. It's just a ½ inch lower back here. So we're gonna run to Bedford, get those new U-bolts made. Kind of give you a, I mean, I don't know how you guys can see it, but it's about mid-chest on me. So pretty good. Like I said, we got that 4-inch lift shackle and then no block. We take the block out. I might eventually throw an inch block in the back to kind of raise it up about a ½ inch higher. So if I put a round bale or whatever on the back, we have plenty of height. But me and Shayla are gonna cruise on over to Bedford now, see if we can get those U-bolts adjusted and then get back and get this all zipped together. So I'll catch you soon. We made it, guys. We are at Crossroads. They already got the U-bolts bent for us. They're already pre-threaded and everything, so it literally took like 5 minutes for them to get them all done. So we're gonna head back to Chad's now. I don't know if he's gonna be there, if he already closed up shop, but if he did, I'll just continue in tomorrow. But I'm gonna hit the road, get back, and if I don't finish tonight, it'll be tomorrow. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys shortly. Peace.
Ryan Little.
Well, there we go, guys. You've seen it. We got the back end completely put together, except the brake line, the extended brake line we got to put on yet. That is about perfect. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it very well, but it is pretty much leveled all the way across. The back bumper I got to take off yet, and then put all the front end parts on it, and then basically radiator, some hoses, put some fuel and stuff in it, then we should be able to see if she fires and actually moves and runs and all that. I'll probably change all the fluids, rear end, transmission I think's already been changed. I'm not 100% sure, though. I'll have to ask Chad again. But it's coming together. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry I didn't get much footage of me trying to get everything put together, but it was kind of a pain in the butt because there's not a lot of room to move under here when you got two ginormous jack stands and a jack stand underneath the drive shaft and a jack in the middle, and it's just a pain. But we got it. I painted the frame black there, just hit it with some 80 just to help corrosion and stuff. Like I said, it's all gonna get sandblasted and coated anyway, but just to save it, probably gonna check brakes and everything here shortly as well when we get closer to actually being able to drive it for the first time. Like I said, I got a whole new rebuild kit and stuff for the front end, from the brakes to ball joints and all that fun stuff. So anyway, guys, I'm the GM man. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Be sure to share it. Tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love, and stay tuned for more content on the 79. Peace.